either if we know the ministry of any government scheme, so we can assume the purpose of that scheme, or if we know the purpose of that scheme, then we can assume the ministry of that government scheme. Are you guys okay? Suppose that Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, it now tell me it this will come under which ministry?
Housing. Which one? Awas Yojana.
Yeah,
Housing.
Ministry of Housing and Urban
Urban
Affairs.
Affairs.
So actually this scheme has been initiated in 2015 and it is going to end in 2022. It means it has already ended.
To know the schemes, we have to learn all the ministry also, no? It is we
No,
have to know.
no need to
If-
cram. No need to cram. Just you listen what I'm saying, and then one or two time you will read yourself. Na, there will be memorized.
Don't
worry.
worry.
Yeah, don't take over stress. That how can I? Yeah. So they have made the target that by 2022 we will able to what make affordable housing, but actually result is complex.
Huh.
Yeah. Second is model skill loan scheme.
Model scheme.
Ab see, suppose that we do not know the ministry, na, so how to link? See, skill means
Ministry.
so Ministry of Skill Development. Like that you have to link.
Then why first we know
Why
na?
PM Awas Yojana? How will we know it's the housing?
Awas means housing. Yeah.
Acha, from these
Awas you don't
keywords
know
we can-
housing. Awas.
Hindi word only na?
Yeah.
Awas.
I'm not that pure Hindi one. Like I don't know that much Hindi. My schooling is from convent. Pure.
I know that, but still this much. Yeah.
It's okay if you know one time na.
हाँ,
Know
one
about
I know,
one
I
time, then you can.
Yeah, and it has, please mind it, it has been initiated in 2015 and it is ongoing. It means it is still
No
going.
end, है ना?
So now the examiner can ask in this way as well that okay, this scheme is still going on or not? Yes, this scheme is still going on. So please mind it. Okay, now tell me what is the purpose of this scheme? The name is suggesting only.
Purpose of
Skill development.
skill.
Not skill, model skill loan scheme.
Model
Skill loan.
Loan scheme, yeah.
It give loans to people.
For
their
what?
Skill.
Yeah.
Developing skills.
Yeah, it means if you are trying to learn any skill, so you can get the loan at a cheaper interest rate.
This you
The
can add
education
into
loan
that
is come
poverty
under
one, no?
this one.
Yeah,
Poverty question we can add into
yeah.
this.
So this is actually how we have to link actually, na, कि how where we can use.
Is education loan is come under this na?
Yeah.
This is different. Education
Yeah,
loan.
yeah, yeah. The third one is Mudra Yojana.
Mudra. Women.
This I wrote in my answer, Mudra Yojana. They provide loans, same.
Loans.
Which answer?
This one. You didn't read my answer.
I have cut it.
You cut mine.
Mudra Yojana, 2015. And now it will come under which ministry?
Ministry of Finance.
Yeah, because Mudra means money, and it is still going on. Okay, it means it has been initiated for the small businessman. Yeah, suppose
Small
that
vendors type.
yeah, micro, small, and medium enterprises. Yeah, so they can go for that. Okay, and the fourth is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana.
Gram Sadak Yojana.
So
Wait,
now
I will
now
you
tell
the
me,
ministry, na?
means
it will
road,
come
na?
under which ministry?
I will
Road.
tell you the ministry.
Sadak means roads.
So Ministry of what? Sadak means road. Ministry of
Roads
road.
and buildings.
There is a ministry for roads.
Roads and buildings is there. R&B. Ministry of R&B. We
There
have
if-
a state. We have a Ministry of Roads and Buildings. We have.
RMB. नहीं पता.
No, but it will not come under
Why
Ministry
you
of
said
Road.
no? You can take keywords and it will come in the ministry.
See, while
Okay. Is there road ministry? Is there? Or
no Ministry of Road is there,
हाँ.
but it will not come under
It
Ministry
is
of Road.
Ministry of Rural Development. How?
Yeah, I was telling something, but she has told. Yeah.
अरे नहीं नहीं, I'm just seeing. Sorry.
I was telling some logic how to link it. Now I will not.
Don't say that. Don't
Now
say.
I will
Then
not
you will
link.
not go.
Yeah,
Not go
if you
with
will
the
see
critical
us, then
thinking.
yeah, I'm just able trying to
think.
yeah. How to you how because see you remember you forget everything because see right now you can see
Yeah,
what
she
it
was
is.
keep on asking, so that's why I told.
No.
I didn't even knew that answer.
Okay, I can forget this time
Don't see the solution.
because see yeah, means you have to first use your brain actually. See how you can link. See, what is name? Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Gram Sadak. It means ki if we will build road in village area, so there will be development of rural area. So it will come under rural development. How you have to link actually,
Acha. If
like that also.
road can be developed in this urban area also, no?
Yeah, but that is a separate ministry for that. Ministry of Urban Development. They are separate ministry. Na? Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of
So this is confusing, huh?
little bit confusing, but see, when there are so many confusion, na, so I will separate it. Like see, okay, yeah, okay, this is confusing, na. I put it star. So when you will revise it, you keep it in mind that okay, it is confusing one. So that is how you to remember. And the important thing is that it is still ongoing. There is only one scheme which has been completed. That is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Please mind it. UPSC can here confuse you. Yeah,
Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana.
it has been completed.
It is centrally sponsored one. No?
Hmm?
Centrally.
That I will tell you later on.
Okay.
First,
No, it is a centrally sectored one. All the government is providing the fund.
No,
no?
no.
State also gives.
That's why.
housing
That's why it's
housing
sponsored.
comes under which list?
Sponsored one. Sorry, sector.
State list.
Hmm? State list?
Acha, you just tell me state provide fund for that.
No, you tell. Housing comes under which list?
Mine is sponsored here. I think the central
List,
provides.
list. She don't know.
List. There are three lists, na?
Acha,
State
central.
list, central list,
Central,
concurrent list.
state and concurrent.
I don't know. State list. Comes in the state list.
Concurrent, no?
Concurrent is both.
No,
State list.
housing comes under state list. So it's so
State
actually
list, na. A concurrent is both center and state both, na? Haan.
Education.
yeah.
How much I lag behind her.
You don't know, na? You
Don't
don't
worry.
even read one time. I have read. That's why.
Where you read?
I have like I prepared for PSC, na? So
You read in polity, I will kill you. You are only. I prepared PSC, na. Abhi you read in polity.
polity.
Haan.
Okay, next.
I read polity, yaar. How much you completed, na polity? That much I have also completed. But I completed it 20 days back. I forgot everything, yaar. What to do then? How to revise it?
Okay. Urban 2.0 initiative.
Urban Ministry.
Yeah. Name is just indicating. So the important thing is that it has been initiated in 2021 only. And it is still ongoing on, and it is for urban resident. Smart city development.
Urban development.
Do you think Delhi is a smart city?
Kanpur is a smart city.
What do you mean by smart city actually?
Industrialization.
Industrialization.
Industry is
Metro.
there. Metro is there.
Metro.
Metro city is there. That is a sign of a smart city.
But Kanpur has no smart city.
It has
Kanpur
metro.
has no metro.
It has metro.
It is operational.
Yeah, people go.
People go.
Huh?
You use there.
No, I have my transports, na.
But not as developed as Delhi.
Huh. But it comes under that.
Smart city.
Lucknow is a smart city.
Vizag is a smart city.
Okay, next. PM.
What about MP?
So,
Where you
then tell what is the criteria for smart city?
from? You
Criteria?
also answer, na? We are answering.
Okay. See, the first there should be infrastructure. What you guys didn't tell. Proper infrastructure like road, 4-line road, and railway station, right? Okay. And what you guys told that it's metro is not a necessary condition, but yes, it can be. And second is what there should be more than 75% people should involve in non-agriculture activities of their. Suppose that ki if people are involved so much in agriculture, so how can it be smart city? That is not smart. That is rural area actually. So that is one. Second, you can say that there should be proper higher education, hospital, good health center, and schools should be in a higher quality. There should be university. You know, Indore has
University should be there for smart city.
yeah, university should be there, na, because it is part of education, na. Yeah.
These roads
So these are the some. These are the some. Actually,
What is difference?
what difference?
Other than these, there is no difference between town and the smart cities.
Town is not that much
No,
classified.
like normal cities and smart cities.
See, the main thing is 75% are non-agriculture activity should be there, and it should have the metro and that proper roads. Metro is important, I think, so for the smart city.
Like see your Kurnool. Where is Kurnool?
Kurnool, no.
Huh.
Karnool.
It is Kurnool. Kurnool.
Karnool.
Kurnool. So it is not a smart city. But Hyderabad is a smart city. So you can link that kisi because it has more developed infrastructure and all.
More companies and all of the
Yeah.
things are there.
Yeah. Like see saying Kanpur is my smart city, but and the other Muradabad is not a smart city.
You went to Muradabad ever?
No.
Jabalpur is not the smart city, but the infrastructure is very
What? Jabalpur is smart city.
good. It doesn't come in the smart city.
No, it comes. Check in Google.
Which one?
Jabalpur.
You stop the recording first.
See, there are three. Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur. These are the three major cities in Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal, Indore, and Jabalpur.
You search Jabalpur is a
Indoor, okay. Cleanest city. No?
Not cleanest city, but it is also good. It is also called mini Mumbai. Indore. Yeah. You have never
slums,
visited Indore?
Mumbai.
Poor girl.
poor girl. Okay, rich girl. Okay, rich boy.
Why?
Rich boy.
PM Vishwakarma scheme.
PM Vishwakarma.
PM Vishwakarma scheme 2023.
She also never went. See her, poor girl.
PM, but she is South Indian, na?
Acha.
PM Vishwakarma scheme 2023. It has been initiated under a Ministry of MSME. Micro, small, and medium enterprise. Don't write. Okay.
Just I'm
Why you
randomly
writing? Yeah. Do you know it is for traditional artisan. Suppose that you are making mehndi. Mehndi, you know?
Mehendi, na?
Mehndi, you know?
Mehendi.
Yeah.
Mehendi, na?
Not Mehndi. Mehendi.
Whatever it is, yeah. You guys.
I was a Mehdi. I was like, what Mehendi? Na?
Okay. See, and some other thing like
Henna.
yeah, like clothes industry, like khadi industry. What Gandhi has made. Khadi industry. So means they are traditional artisans, like right. So this scheme has been initiated for them only.
Not
it will-
missionary involved, you know.
Do you know here people get confused? Do you know between Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Ministry of MSME because it is for tribal, so they consider it is for no, but it is for Ministry of MSME actually scheme. So this is important. Actually here is catch.
This is for tribals only.
Generally
These are only for tribal.
because traditional, na, so traditional
Right
means
here, na?
Why traditional is only done by tribals
but
only?
major focus in tribal here. Major focus I'm saying.
PM Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma.
PM Vishwakarma scheme.
Okay.
No need to write.
I'm just writing this information.
Okay. Second, Amrit Bharat station scheme. Name is indicating. Station means railway station. So it will come under Ministry of Railway and it has been initiated in 2023. And it will finish in 2025 only. In this year only. Yeah. So
Today
please-
one article is given on railways.
yeah. Next, that is very very important. Mission Life.
Mission
You know, my life is so environmental
friendly.
Yeah.
Environment
Tell me how.
friendly.
Tell me how. My life is so environmental friendly. Tell me how your life is environmental friendly.
Mine is not.
But mine.
Acha, your.
So you ask how.
How?
See,
You don't smoke.
I always switch off the light when I come outside my room.
So you shouldn't be owning the light when you are inside also.
No.
He is not environmental friendly because he won't switch off the lights in the reading hall itself.
No.
Why? Everyone gets
One guy
No,
was sitting
everyone
there.
see,
Listen.
everyone went